Hey guys, Joseph here with ABC Sewing Machines here in downtown Los Angeles. I want to cover a topic that I get a lot of questions on. It's the different types of overlocks that are available there. The different types of stitches and when you would kind of need those types of stitches. Okay, so right here we're going to go through the different types of overlocks that you have. Okay, the most common ones are on the board. We have a 3-thread overlock, a 4-thread, a 5-thread, and a 6-thread. Okay, so we'll start off with the 3-thread. A 3-thread machine or a Merrow machine, it has only one needle. There's only one position and it has 3 tension dials. That is an original 3-thread overlock. Okay, yes, we can convert other overlocks into a 3-thread or kind of use it, which I'll explain a little bit later. But we're going to talk about the original 3-thread overlock. Okay, so if you look at this diagram over here, we have the material. This is a 1 needle. A 3-thread overlock is mainly used for more narrow edge overlocks or serges, and it's a little bit more dense than the other ones. Okay, so if you're trying to look for a little bit more full type of coverage, then the 3-thread is where you want to be at. Okay, so if you look at this diagram here, the black thread is going to show me my needle stitch. Okay, so that is the foundation stitch that's holding everything together. And then the second thread is going to be the orange, which is the zigzag look on the top side of the material. And then the third thread is going to be the under zigzag, which is on your lower looper. Okay, so we have 3 threads in total: one for the needle, one for the top cover, the over edge, and then the bottom under edge. Okay, so that is a 3-thread machine. You can, if you have a 3-thread, you can only use it as a 3-thread. Okay, a 4-thread machine, it has 2 needles. So 2 needles, meaning you have 4 threads total. 1 needle, which is the left needle, that's 1 thread. The right needle, that's your 2nd thread. Your top overcover stitch, and then your bottom. Okay, so you have 4 threads in total, a combination of 2 needles. Okay, if I were to pull out one of those needles, I can technically use it as a 3-thread. So if I pull out the left needle, it will be a more narrow 3-thread. It won't be as narrow as an original 3-thread overlock, but it is more narrow. Okay, if I pull out the right needle, I will have a 3-thread, but a little bit more wider coverage area. Okay, so a 4-thread machine, it's a pretty common machine. It's one of the popular ones. It gives you the versatility of using it as a 3-thread machine at a wider stitch width, or a 4-thread machine with the safety stitch on the inside of the zigzag. So that right needle is giving me my safety lock stitch on the inside of my zigzag. Okay, a 5-thread machine is same thing. It's a 2-needle machine. Okay, so this one we could use it as a 3-thread or a 5-thread. Okay, so if we disregard the left needle here, there's my 3-thread stitch at the more wider width. And then, so those are my 3 threads. And right here off away from the actual edge, okay, we have something called a safety stitch. Okay, this is a safety chain stitch. So on the very left needle, it has 2 threads. Okay, so it's a chain stitch that interlocks together. So I have 1 thread for the needle, 1 thread for the chain stitch, 2nd thread. The 3rd thread is my right needle, 4th thread is my top cover, and the 5th thread is my bottom cover. So you have a total of 5 threads on that. Same thing as the 4th thread. You could use it as a 3-thread or a 5-thread. Okay, or just use the chain stitch by itself. Okay, and the 6th thread, it does offer a little bit of versatility, but if you're looking for if you're looking for just a 4-thread machine, then I always recommend just getting the 4-thread machine or a 5-thread machine. A 6-thread machine gives you a little bit of versatility. Everything that you see here, you'd be able to do on the 6-thread. Okay, so the other machines have 2 needles. This one has a total of 3 needles. Okay, so any combination of the top, the 3-thread, 4-thread, and 5, I would be able to do in this 6. Fine calibration, you have to understand the tensions and so forth to make sure that it comes out perfect. Like I said, if you need a 4-thread machine, invest into a 4-thread machine. If you need a 5-thread, invest into a 5. If you're not too sure, you're doing a whole bunch of different samples, I understand, then this would be the right fit for you. Okay, so this I wanted to just categorize and go over the different types of overlock machines and explain the options that you have with each machine. Okay, hope this video helps, guys. Take care.